Want glowing skin but tired of expensive products and complicated routine? Don't you worry, let me share 5 simple steps with which you can get glowing and radiant skin. So hi everyone, this is Dr. Megha. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 steps with which you can get glowing skin in combination with healthy habits and topical care. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video now. Step number 1. Follow a simple skincare routine. Yes, don't complicate your routine. Follow a simple 3-step skincare routine. Starting with the gentle cleanser, applied twice in a day, once in the morning and once at night. Second, follow it up with a good ceramide based and hyaluronic based moisturizer twice in a day, once in the morning and night. And don't forget to use a SPF in the daytime after moisturizer. And you can use any of these skin brightening serums according to your skin type at night. So that's it for the skincare routine. So keep your skincare routine simple and effective. Number 2, exfoliating. Yes, your skin needs exfoliation. What exfoliation does to your skin is it helps in getting rid of dead skin cells from your skin, unclogs pores and improves overall skin texture, and eventually will give you glowing and youthful skin. And it allows your skincare products to penetrate better after exfoliation. So exfoliation is necessary if you want a brightening skin. So there are 2 types of exfoliation. One is a physical exfoliation, one is a chemical exfoliation. Physical exfoliation is done by using scrubs or granules, by rubbing the granules onto your skin. Chemical exfoliation is done by acids like AHAs and BHAs. So I'm going to give you both recommendations for physical and chemical exfoliation. For exfoliating at home, for dry skin, you can use curd plus oats and scrub it on your face and wash it off. And if you want to exfoliate chemically, you can use lactic acid peel once in a week. That's more than enough. If you have combination or oily skin type, you can exfoliate your skin using rice flour plus rose water at home gently, or you can use exfoliating peel like this 1 to 2 times a week. That's more than enough. So that was step 2. Step number 3, food. Yes, food is a major part of your skincare. Your skin will reflect what's going inside your body. So if you want a glowing skin outside, you need to nourish your body from within. So here's what you can eat for glowing skin. Include vitamin C rich fruits and seasonal fruits like oranges, amla, guava and papaya, and include seeds in your diet like pumpkin seeds, which has healthy fats, antioxidants, and also has multiple benefits for your skin. So regularly consuming them will give you a healthy and radiant glow. So you need to include seeds in your daily routine. You need to be even including raw vegetables like beetroots, carrots, which are really good for your skin. And last but not the least, like everybody says, hydrate yourself. At least you need to take 2.5 to 3 liters of water per day. So that's it for step number 3. Let's jump into step number 4 now. Managing stress and prioritizing sleep. If you're stressed, no matter what products you use, however expensive the products might be, if you're sleep deprived and stressed, your skin will actually show it. So aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Try managing your stress by meditating or journaling or reading any kind of books you like. Let's move on to step number 5. Last but not the least, step number 5. Move your body. Yes, you heard it right. You need to exercise, not only for the skin, for also for your well-being. So exercising is very underrated. You need to exercise for at least 4 to 5 times a week. Can be jogging or simple running or a simple home workout or a yoga. That will actually help in improving blood circulation to your skin, and it also increases oxygen flow to your skin. And the best part is it also reduces stress. It will give you good sleep. It eliminates toxins from your body and balancing hormones. So exercising has wonderful benefits. Do include this in your routine. So that's it. Follow these 5 steps consistently. This will not only help your skin glow from within, this also helps your overall health as well. So that's it for this routine. You will definitely feel good from within once you start following this routine. So do follow this routine consistently. And if in case you have any doubts regarding anything in this video, do let me know in the comment section, and promise me you will take care of your health right from today. And if this video was helpful in any way, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.